Hello and welcome to another BrikFam reaction video. Today we're going to do the Lego Ideas Typewriter Designer video. What's next? Officer computer? Does it work? Let's find out. Whoa.
Up close it looks cool.
Yeah, it looks like a real one.
Yeah.
I'm Wes Talbot, and I'm one of the model designers
Ooh,
of the Lego
he's a
Ideas
master.
Typewriter. So the typewriter is a really cool project coming from the Lego Ideas platform, and it's essentially as close as we could get to a real typewriter.
Oh,
Lego
nice.
Ideas is our online platform where our fans around the world can submit their idea for a Lego set.
Oh,
And if they
Whoa.
can get 10,000 votes from other Lego fans, we in the Lego Ideas team will consider it for a real-life Lego set.
I'm James May, and I am a model designer for Lego. We wanted to try and get as much functionality in as possible, so we got a lot
Whoa.
of mechanical details in it, such as
I think it
how many
actually
keys
works.
go down
Yeah.
and bounce back
All you
up,
need is the
hammer
ink.
in the middle will
Oh, it works.
and the carriage at the back will slide
It
along.
works!
So you can
That's
see real
cool.
paper into the model as well, which is a really nice detail, I think.
So the first thing I started with this set was really the key function. It was something that we knew we wanted to have all of the keys pressable from the very beginning, and I knew it was probably going to be one of the hardest things to tackle, given that there are 31 keys in total, and getting all of those to press consistently and all of them to trigger the function was really tricky. So I really just started completely outside the shell of the actual typewriter, trying to figure
Whoa,
out what
that's
my
cool
business
though.
would look like.
So the model
I think
isn't
it's a
based
great
on any
idea.
Yeah.
specific brand of typewriter, but a colleague at Lego, he's a huge fan of typewriters, so he let us borrow a bunch of his, and we used them for reference, and it was really useful for the design process.
I didn't know much about typewriters before I started working on this set, and it was really fun actually to look at all the different types of typewriters and do some research on how the actual mechanisms work.
With this model, we took the fan design that Steve had made, and we added the ability to make the hammer go up and down when you press down on the key, and also to have the carriage at the back move along every time you press a key.
We have several check-ins with the fan designers along the way. We'll take their initial model, and then we'll basically create our first sketch model of what we would be proposing, and then we'll have a video call with them and to show them what we've done, get their input, and we have a couple check-ins this way.
So for collaborating with Wes in this model, I'm a fairly new designer, whereas he is a experienced designer.
It was actually the first time I've ever worked so closely with another designer. Oftentimes we work in teams where one person will do a model and then the rest of the team
There's
will
another
give
typewriter
input, and
behind.
it's that person's job to
Yeah, I see it.
implement the input. But this time we were actually
Yeah,
both
it was
working
red.
together
No.
simultaneously.
It wasn't.
I was learning
there's
a lot
all types.
through this
It was
process.
that color.
He was working more on the front end of the model, whereas I was working on the back of the paper
Whoa.
feeding mechanism and that
That's
sort of
nice.
area. Then we kind of merged the two together. There are some very cool elements in this set that are new. We've got 1x1 brick with a cross-sectional hole through it.
Oh.
We've got that in sand green, and we've got a lot of them in this model.
Sand
so
green.
it's a good parts pack if you're needing those elements. There are the bow pieces, which are introduced on the Porsche. We have them in sand green. as
The
well.
guy's
And
same
we
color
have the
hair
first two
as
long
the typewriter.
cross-axle
Yeah.
elements. We've got 5
It's
of them,
sand
which
green.
were originally in the flask,
That's
so
cool.
this would be another
I
opportunity
just
to get
noticed
that.
that.
It's quite tricky to combine Technic with system, so there's a lot of funky little ways that we have to build the Technic bits as a chunk and then find a way to fit it into this system shell around it. In addition to that, there's all sorts of different directions to get the right shape of the shell of the typewriter, so it was a really fun challenge getting it to be as functional as possible but still have that iconic shape of
This
the
is
typewriter.
cool.
Yeah.
I think my favorite part of the set is the part where you're looking down on the top and you see all the type bars lined
Oh,
up.
yeah.
It really
that's
looks
cool.
like the same way that all the type bars on a real typewriter would look.
In the model, there's a nice Easter egg from the fan builder who submitted the idea through Lego Ideas.
Steve
He wanted to
Genius.
have "Never give up on your dreams" in initials on the back. That was his nice contribution to that.
A lot of typewriters have two colors of ink, both red and black. To represent that, we've actually created a new textile, which I think looks pretty accurate to how the actual ribbon looks. Because we've designed the typewriter with actual paper, we knew we wanted to have something included, and we actually got the current owner, Thomas Kjær Christensen, to write a letter. So you'll find in this booklet that comes with the set actually 43 different languages of his letter.
Our graphic designer
So-
came up with a really cool typography for the set of keys that makes it look really nice and clean.
Yeah.
And he also designed the the system logo on the front
Nice.
and the system and play logo that's on the back. I would say for kids who are fans of Lego that the best way to experience Lego is to be building your own things, like using your imagination and creating something new. That's how you get the most out of your bricks.
There's so much that you can do creatively and technically with Lego and really express yourself and learn new things.
This is cool.
Yeah.
I like the box and the typewriter color together mixed in. That's kind of cool. And I also like, it was funny that the guy's hair was the same color as the typewriter. I guess he got the design piece from his hair.
Yeah, yes, he pulled it out.
Yeah.
Well, I really like how you can actually write on the typewriter and how there's actually letters on the keys. That's really cool.
Do you have anything to say? No?
Well, I think it's a really cool set.
Yeah. It's one of the best sets
I've ever seen.
of like a
Typewriter.
model, because like it can move up and down shift that way when you're typing,
Yeah.
but it doesn't really work when you're typing out of paper. That's the sad part.
Yeah. But it moves. Like every
Yeah.
time you press a key, it moves.
Yeah, so this is Javier, Phil, Zeph signing off.
See you next time.